Hi, Michaela. Thanks for sending us in your question. I've written out both questions on this picture below here. The first one, they just want you to differentiate. Now, with this one, you're going to have to use the product rule. This is what we call, this is F, and I'll call this guy G, even though it's F. I know that can be a little confusing, but the product rule just says if you want to find the derivative of a function of x times a function of x, it's the derivative of the first function times the second, plus the derivative of the second function times the first. Okay, so here this is f, so we're going to take the derivative of that. It's going to be 2x times the second function, which is just f of x. Okay, plus the derivative of this guy, f of x. We don't know what f of x is, so we'll just say f prime of x. Okay, I'm going to put a bracket around that guy. Times the first guy, which is just x squared. Okay, so that's pretty much it for that first problem. If you wanted to clean this up, you could. I'll just write it like this: 2x times f of x plus x squared times f prime of x. Okay, that's a times there. Alrighty, so there is our answer for the first one. The second one, we're going to find the derivative. The derivative of e to the anything is e to the anything. So it's e to the 5 minus 2 over x. And you would think we'd be done, but we're not, because this is a function of x. So we have to derive it, and we have to times it by the derivative of this. So basically we're doing the chain rule. Okay. I'm going to write this on the side here as 5 minus, instead of 2 over x, I'm going to write 2x to the negative 1. It's easier to differentiate when you have exponents. Okay, the derivative of this becomes, the derivative of 5 is nothing. The derivative of this guy becomes 2x to the negative 2, which is really just 2 over x squared. Okay, so in other words, we're going to times this guy by 2 over x squared because that's the derivative of this function up here. Alrighty, so there's our answer. There's not much you can do to clean this one up. This is in the exponent here, so you can't multiply this times that. So yeah, that is our answer for that one. Thanks for sending us in your question, and we look forward to answering more.